Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send a photo you just took as a document on WhatsApp from your PC, so you don't lose any quality, this guide is for you. With the latest WhatsApp update, it's easier than ever to capture a photo and send it as a document right from your desktop. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, enter the chat where you want to send your photo. This could be a conversation with a friend, a family member, or even a work group. Once you're in the chat, look for the attachment icon. It usually looks like a paperclip near the message box. Click on the attachment icon, and from the options that appear, choose Camera. This will activate your computer's camera, allowing you to take a fresh photo right then and there. Position your subject and click the camera icon to capture your image. After taking the photo, you'll see a preview. Here's where you can make quick edits if you want. Click on the edit icon to crop, rotate, or adjust your photo as needed. Once you're happy with your edits, look for the three-dot menu, usually found in the corner of the editing screen. Click on the three dots, and you'll see an option labeled Attach as Document. Select this option. This step is crucial because sending your photo as a document ensures it's delivered in full quality, without any compression. Finally, click Send. Your freshly taken photo will be sent as a document to your chosen chat, preserving every detail and pixel. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you can now send high-quality photos as documents directly from your PC using WhatsApp's latest update. Give it a try the next time you want to share an important image without losing any quality. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.